Hello, hi, and a very warm welcome to my channel. My name is Gunjan Chopra, and today in this video, I am going to be giving you a demo of a hairstyling with a hair straightener, and also I'm going to be reviewing a hair straightener from Philips. Okay, the straightener that I'm talking about is from Philips, and it is Kerashine Titanium straightener. This is the box that it comes in, right? And it says that it instantly smooths untamable hair with visible shine. And on the box itself, they have also described what all a straightener is like. It's a ceramic keratin titanium plate. It's a ceramic plate with a titanium and keratin, like it will give you a keratin like of a shine. And plus the extra wide plates, that is 45 mm, they are telling that it is a 45 mm extra wide plates for a better results for thick and wavy hair. It works better on thick and wavy hair. Okay, so ahead is the demo of the hairstyling that I have already done. So just stay tuned up. Okay, and it also says that it has ionic care. I mean, it has got a silk protect technology. If you have a little natural rough hair, naturally dry hair, after using this straightener, it will give you a shine of a keratin like. It has a temperature control from 190 degrees Celsius to 210 degrees Celsius. This is the straightener, right? This is the temperature control buttons that it has. 0 is totally off, 1 is 190 degrees Celsius, and the second number is for a maximum 210 degrees Celsius. Also, it has got a locket. It has also got a hook. You might want to hang it onto the wall. The cord length is also good. It's got a good length of cord. And this is the titanium plate. And this is the width of the plate. The retail price of this straightening machine is 3195 is the retail price. I've already used this straightener, of course, and I quite liked it, because of which I thought of doing a review. So yeah, just let's go ahead and do the demo of the equipment of the straightener and see how it works. the complete way of me doing the styling with my straightener. And I believe the straightener, the Philips Kerashine uh, Titanium. Okay, let me just switch it off right now. I believe this Philips Kerashine Titanium straightener works really well. It has given a good shine to my hair, and it has given me a good styling. Of course, you also need to learn and know how to actually do the styling, the skill of doing the styling. And skill plus a good product, a good equipment, it works, you know, like Sone Pe Suhaga kind of a thing. So, this is how I do my styling. This is the demo of the hair styling with a straightener and the review for this Philips Kerashine Titanium straightener. I am giving it a good thumbs up. It has really given me a nice styling. It has given me a good shine. It feels smooth, silky, of course. See, I will suggest you guys when you do your styling, it is always preferable that your hair is washed completely. Hair mask is really, really, really very necessary before you do any sort of heat styling, since the heat actually takes out the moisture out of your hair. Of course, your hair will end up looking rough. So this is it. I'm giving a thumbs up to this straightener. I love this straightener, and I would recommend you all, if you really want a good hair straightener, it is a nice one, that you can go for yourself. And that is the all for this video. I hope that you have liked the video. I hope that you have known how to do the styling with a hair straightener. And please do share the video, and please do give it a thumbs up. And please do subscribe to my channel. I see you all so very soon. Till then, you take care and bye bye.